On the 4th of May 2006, Hadhrat arrived in New Zealand.
New Zealand was formally established in 1987 and has a membership of just over 220 people.
He addressed the community's annual convention on the 5th and 6th of May.
Today, as the people were greater at number and the resources with Islam could be
Hadhrat left New Zealand and, for the last leg of his journey, arrived in Tokyo on the 8th of May. He attended a reception given in his honor on the 9th of May. The reception was attended by Japanese members of parliament, ambassadors, politicians, professors, police officers, and other prominent personalities from Tokyo. Hadhrat also addressed the community's two-day annual convention in Nagoya on the 12th and 13th of May. During his stay in Japan, Hadhrat paid a visit to the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum on the 14th of May. From the 3rd to the 20th of June 2006, Hadhrat visited Belgium, Germany and Holland. In Belgium, Hadhrat addressed the concluding session of their three-day annual convention on the 4th of June in Brussels. In Germany, he graced and addressed the Ijtimas of Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya and Lajna Imala, which were held in Mannheim on the 9th, 10th and 11th of June.
इसलिए हमेशा एक बात ये याद रखें कि अहमदी तालिबा का बुनियादी फ़र्ज़ ये है कि अपने खुदा को कभी ना भूले, उसको हमेशा याद रखें और उसकी इबादत की तरफ तवज्जो दें.
In Holland, Hadhrat blessed the last day of their three-day annual convention and addressed the concluding session on the 18th of June in Nunspeet. In 2005, the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community United Kingdom purchased a 208-acre site in Hampshire, UK. The site was named Hadhrat Mahdi by Hadhrat Khalifatul Masih V, and on the 28th, 29th and 30th of July 2006, the International Annual Convention of the Ahmadiyya Community was held at a newly acquired site. From the 18th of December 2006 to the 7th of January 2007, Hadhrat visited Germany together with a brief stay in Belgium and Holland. In Germany, Hadhrat addressed the annual gathering of Qadian live via satellite link on MTA International from Frankfurt on the 28th of December.
लेकिन अल्लाह ताला की मदद से जब आप दुआएं करते हुए और ईमान पर मजबूती से कायम रहते हुए बगैर घबराए ये सफ़र जारी रखेंगे तो हर मंजिल पर पहुंचकर आपको अल्लाह ताला के फजलों के अजीमुशान नज़ारे नज़र आएंगे इंशाअल्लाह, और रास्ते की कोई रोक आपकी तरक्की की रफ्तार को कम नहीं कर सकेगी.
A large number of Ahmadis were present in Frankfurt to listen to Hadhrat, and over 25,000 people were present in Qadian for the gathering.
اطلب نظير كماله فستندمن ملددا ما إن رأينا مثله للنائمين مسهدا.
Since the beginning of his Khilafat, Hadhrat Khalifatul Masih V is very passionate about spreading the message of Ahmadiyyat, the true Islam, to the Arab world, from where Islam started. Under his direct supervision and guidance, the community's satellite TV station, MTA International, started work to launch a dedicated Arabic channel under the dynamic directions of the Khalifatul Masih and in consequence of his continuous humble supplications to the Divine. The efforts bore fruit, and on the 23rd of March 2007, Hadhrat inaugurated MTA As-Salisa Al-Arabiya, the third channel of MTA International, which transmits programs in Arabic 24 hours a day.
MTA 3 Al-Arabiya का इजरा भी हो रहा है. अल्लाह ताला जल्द अरब दुनिया को भी के भी सीने खोले और वो ज़माने के इमाम को पहचान ले.
This is truly a remarkable milestone in the history of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. Initially, the channel started on Nile Sat for Middle East only, then was moved to Hotbird and CSAT in March 2008 for greater coverage in the Middle East and Europe. In February 2008, it also started transmission for the North American sector on AMC3 satellite. From the 18th of August to the 8th of September 2007, Hadhrat toured Holland, Germany and France. In his Friday sermon of the 24th of August, which was delivered at Nunspeet, Holland, he condemned the Dutch writer Geert Wilders and gave answers to Wilders' allegations against Islam.
साफ जाहिर है कि बुग़्ज़ और कीने ने इतना अंधा कर दिया कि कुरान पढ़ने की हिम्मत गवारा नहीं की. जिनको बुग़्ज़ और कीने ने अंधा कर दिया हो, उनको सामने की चीज़ भी नज़र नहीं आती. इनको ये नज़र आ रहा है कि यही एक ऐसा दीन है जो दलील से हर एक का मुंह बंद करने वाला है. इसलिए दलील से काम नहीं बनेगा, वो तो इनके पास है नहीं. मुल्क के कानून पास करके सख्ती से काम करो तो फिर ही बात बनेगी. तो यही हारे हुओं की निशानी होती है.
In Germany, Hadhrat addressed on all 3 days of their annual convention, which took place from the 31st of August to the 2nd of September 2007. After the inception of the third channel of MTA International, and owing to rapid expansion of its services, Hadhrat approved a plan to build a new MTA complex adjacent to the Bait al-Futur Mosque. With Allah's grace, this complex, equipped with the latest technology, was inaugurated by Hadhrat on the 10th of December 2007. It includes a large studio, a news studio, an audio studio, translation suites, editing suites, graphics and animation suites, and the latest IT management and administration facilities. Hadhrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, Khalifatul Masih V's energetic, active approach to his office and immense spiritual devotion has enhanced the importance of Khilafat in both the Ahmadiyya and the non-Ahmadiyya circles. Through his extensive world travel, he has shown the true face of Islam to the world, has spiritually elevated the global Ahmadiyya community, and has brought them closer to their Creator. May Allah strengthen his hands and grant him a long and prosperous life, leading the community. Ameen.